How to set up the CMI Health Handheld Pulse Oximeter. You will need the converter cable, the sensor, and the handheld pulse oximeter. The first step is to connect the converter cable to the device by lining up the arrows. Next, you will connect the sensor to the converter cable. Next, place the clip on the finger with the LED side facing up. Next, you will turn on the device by holding down the power button. Lastly, you will wait a few seconds for your measurements. Once you've monitored your measurements, you can hold down the power button to turn the device back off.